then only the parts that are black in that rectangle, they will render on the jacket and on the trousers. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. That's the way it's going to work.
I basically got a phone call from B. Ockerlund, the stylist of the Black Eyed Peas. She asked me if I could design 4 costumes for the band. And from the first ideas and the sketches to the testing, the fittings and everything else, less than 6 weeks have passed. It could just be a shape that is more dynamic in its own way, and then content could flow, like from the body to the sleeve, which would be great. The most exciting bit for me is actually to work with the team, to see how it all comes together, what you have on your mind. For Philips, this is a very exciting project because it pushes the boundaries of what we do. And, you know, entertainment we're very much used to because we do stage lighting. But to put the light in costumes is for us something relatively new. What is so interesting about the costumes technically, I think, is that we have used different lighting technologies. So Fergie's outfit is based on OLED, organic LED, and the other ones are based on LED. The LED is a very small point source, which means that with a lens in front of it, you can divert the light beam or convert it, create a spot of light or a splash of light. You can control where the light goes. The OLED, on the other hand, offers more a general diffuse ambience. It's a surface that lights up. It's not a point, it's a surface. It's a flat panel that lights up completely evenly, creating soft shadows and soft textures, like a diffuse light source. It is something you haven't seen before. It's the sun versus the sky, if you like, where the LED is like the sun with hard shadows and high contrast, and the OLED is like the sky, giving soft shadows and soft contrast. My goal was to make these costumes different and at the same time being able to create content that unites them. So at some point the light can move from one body to the next, so they can be interactive with each other. The artist has to perform, the artist has to sing, dance, jump on stage, work together. So very important is the fitting. We first did the fitting with Fergie, who simply loved her catsuit with OLED because of the brightness and the beauty and the diamond shapes and how it all works on her body. So you can imagine that when a team of almost 20 people works so hard towards completion of these jackets, what a good experience it is to hear from the artist that they are happy.